Number 44, London Bridge. We are incorporating reading on the D string and our new dotted quarter rhythm. So there's a lot to behold, but the cool thing is we're using one of our baby songs so that we know what it's supposed to sound like. So if you might know London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. And there's like a million different verses to it. More students I get, the fewer know these baby songs, and it's, I guess, generational and also regional as well. So we're starting off with that dotted quarter rhythm, da and 3, 4. And then we hop over to with the A string and then over to the D string. So really take your time with the string crossings and understanding where you're supposed to be. So let's read it. Ready, go. A, B, A, G, F, G, 4 is A. E, F, G, F, G, A. A, B, A, G, F, G, A, E, A, F, D, rest, rest. So where she suggests the fourth finger in parentheses is a really good idea. Stay on the same string and it helps you. So with the plucking, ready, go. 4 is A. Open A now. Rest, rest. Good. Let's do the bow. Da and ready, go.